Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathleen, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how we can conceal our smile lines. Specifically these nasolabial folds that we have here. Mine are pretty pronounced that come in through here. So anyway, we're going to go in there. I'm going to show you how I can camouflage those. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Okay, so like I said in my intro, we're going to go in there and we're going to, go in there and correct this, the nasolabial folds here and just kind of conceal them so they don't look as pronounced. What we're going to do is we're going to take this contour palette, right? I have this one here by, who is this? Anastasia. And we're going to go in and I'm going to show you, you just need to take a brush, like a flat brush like this, and go in there and just take a darker color. And I'm doing this, I don't have any foundation. I have concealer under my eyes, but I don't have any foundation on my face. I'm gonna talk. Okay, so we're gonna go in and I'm going to take, I'll show you how it works. So anyway, I'm gonna take this first contour color, so you can use anything. Even if you have a bronzer that's darker, you can use that too. And you're just going to take a tiny bit onto your brush. You're just going to tap it ever so gently, and you're just going to go not in the labial fold, you're going to go right above it. Just right, I shouldn't say, here's the fold, so you want to go out this way. Okay, and you're going to go in and you're going to go right in here. And you're just going to take light strokes and brush that up. Ever so gently, nothing too heavy. I'm literally just lightly tapping it into this color. Right, I'm just literally going in there and tapping very gently just to get a little bit. If you feel like you have too much, just go in the back of your hand and tap it down a little bit. And go in there and tap, tap, tap. And as you're tapping, kind of bring it outwards like this. And you can already see how that's kind of camouflage compared to this side. And then we don't actually go right into the fold, we go right next to it. Okay, next we're going to go in, I'm going to take a little bit of this lighter color that's in the scent, this one here right above it. I'm just going to take a really thin brush, fine brush I should say. I'm going to go in there, I'm going to go right in that fold. Right now I'm going to go in there and I'm just going to bring it down that. I'm going to take this brush, I'm just going to blend it in. Now you can already see how it's not that heavy. It's not, this side does not look as heavy as that side. And next I'm going to go in, like I said, I don't have any foundation on, and I'm just going to go over it, whoops, with some foundation. Just kind of blend the whole thing in. So it's basically what you're doing is contouring that nasolabial fold, right? You're going in there and you're just kind of contouring it to the same way you would chisel out your face, you would go in there and do that. sorry, making noise. Okay, so you can definitely see the difference. Like this side looks more lifted, doesn't look as heavy. Okay, let me go show you the other side real quick. So again, you just take the brush, you tap very gently into the color, go right above it. I shouldn't say above it, but just tap gently right next to it. If it does get a little heavy, just take your finger and kind of just, it's all about blending with makeup anyway, like just want to blend everything in. And keep pulling it outwards like this, up and out. Okay, again, we're gonna just take a little bit of that lighter contour color in there. Tap into it gently and then go right down. The fold there, right in the center of that fold. And then just take your concealer brush and go in there and gently blend that in. Now you can do this after you have your foundation on too. I like to do it afterwards, put my foundation on, only because it kind of just, I didn't do a good job blending that in. It kind of just makes everything look a little bit more even all over. Okay, go in, ahead, blend that foundation in. Off the camera for a few minutes and did the rest of my makeup. You can see that my nasolabial folds don't look nearly as pronounced as they did when we first started this video. So yeah, just a little bit of extra time to go in there and just kind of contour them, kind of fades them away a little bit so they don't look as, you know, as heavy as they did when we first started. So anyway, if you did gain any knowledge from this, please consider subscribing and I will see you in my next video.